Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's give a moment for my clear beautiful skin. So today we're going to be doing a twist out tutorial. Like the last time I tried a twist out, it didn't come out very great because I didn't let it dry up. I already used the Tgin leave-in conditioner prior to this video. I did a blowout the previous day, so I didn't see any need of applying, but I just thought I should show you guys. This is me just detangling my hair and making sure that it's combed out very well before I can go ahead and start twisting it out. I like to twist out my hair in sections because this is one of the things I do just to make my hair way manageable for me. My original plan was to do this twist out without the mousse because I wanted to try twist out on all dry hair and just make use of a hair butter. But we'll just try this today, and maybe in my next video we'll try out twist out, or maybe not my next video, some other time we'll try out twist out on dry hair and just use only a hair butter. One of the things that bothers me a lot in the natural hair community is that whenever someone is approaching you and maybe asking you how you achieve your growth, they always center that question around products. I don't know why a lot of us believe that only products can get you this far in your hair growth journey. Like, I don't believe that. In fact, for me, I always feel like products are there to nourish your hair. Of course, they play a role, but trust me, the techniques you use to take care of your hair is going to go a long way compared to the product that you are going to use. I know that a lot of us don't like to put in the work. A lot of us are looking for shortcuts, products that will grow your hair in 2 weeks. Like, it doesn't work like that. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. So what I'm trying to say is that you are not going to find a product. I repeat, you will not find a product on the market that is going to help grow your hair in 2 weeks. Natural hair requires a lot of patience, and my advice is that if you want growth, if you want your hair to grow, if you're looking at a length that you want to achieve, you need a lot of patience. I didn't grow my hair in 2 weeks. I didn't grow my hair in 1 year. I didn't grow my hair in 2 years. It's almost 7 years of doing this, and I've been doing it consistently. If you want to go on this journey, my advice for you is that you should cultivate two habits, which is consistency and patience, because you are going to need it. You are going to need a lot of patience. You are going to need to be consistent with your routine, whatever you are doing to your hair. I'm going to be ranting a little bit today, so let's dive into content creation now. So there's something that annoys me so much as a content creator, right? You create content, you put out there, and you show the product that you use, clearly in the video, and someone is in the comments asking you, please list out the product. The product is shown in the video for you to see, for you to take screenshots if you're interested. It's that simple. Like, I just wish that people could do better when it comes to this. Like, it's very easy. You can just pause the video and take a screenshot. So most times these days, when people ask me in the comments, please list out the product you use, I just ask them to please pause the video and take a screenshot. Another thing I like to do as someone into content creation is that I like to reserve my energy. When you start putting out content and your content start reaching a lot of audience, you are going to see a lot of toxic people, be it in your comments, in your DMs. So I like to reserve my energy. I'm someone that don't like trouble. I'm someone that just like to be on my own. So something I do to actually make sure I'm reserving my energy is that I delete a lot of toxic comments. Like, if you comment on my video and that comment is toxic, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, and I'm going to go ahead and block you. Reason being that I'm not about to be out here getting into different altercation with different people that I barely know. Like, I don't even have the energy for that. The world alone is already too stressful. So I'm on my last twist. Like, I'm really, really happy that I'm finally done. I didn't make the twist very small. Like, they're just medium size, or should I say big? I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the back, from the side. I almost finished my mousse, but that's fine. We can always get another one. There's a leave-in conditioner. I use a parting comb, a detangling comb, some bands, and also this clip to help me hold my hair down. I did not make use of a blow dryer to help me dry out the twist fast. I just let it dry out naturally, and then I use these bands to hold it and keep it stretched. If you want to stretch your hair naturally, this is one of the ways that you can do that. This is called the banding method. Currently, I don't have any oil to use and take down the twist, so I'm going to be making use of a shea butter. It smells really, really nice. So I'm just putting my hair up to make it easy for me to go ahead and take the twist down. 20 naira. I love you. I love you, Mama G. I don't think I'm going to be separating these twists because I feel like if I separate them, the whole thing is just gonna get ruined. So I think I'm just going to let them be like this. Like, okay, see, I even forgot one. I have decided to separate a few at my back so that you know it can give me a little bit of volume. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of shine jam to, you know, sleek down my edges. I'm not going to be wearing any makeup today because I really don't feel like. This is the final result. The coils are defined. I'll leave the details of all the product that I use in the caption so you guys can, you know, go ahead and try it out if you're interested. For this shea butter, I'm sorry, I bought it when I went to the village to see my mom, so I can't do that. But it smells really nice. You can use these both on your body and your hair. I use the shea butter to give my hair some shine so that it doesn't look too dull and has that shiny appearance. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.